No lies are being told. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you guys seen me. It's been over like 2 years since you guys seen me, but I am back and I'm back to stay. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. I got some updated news I have to share with you guys. Yeah, like it's like a little random unboxing or whatever, like some things I just ordered off Amazon or whatever that you guys might be interested in, you know, looking at. So it is definitely gonna be one of them quick little videos or whatever, just to put something up, let you guys know that I'm back or whatever. But yes, I am like 5 months pregnant. That's a boom. I just threw it on y'all like that. Yes, I'm 5 months pregnant. A lot of story times are going to be coming or whatever. I'll let you guys know any details or whatever when I get ready or whatever. But yes, I am, and I'm having a boy. I had my gender reveal back in June, the earlier June. Due date is October 27th, so mark your calendars. So that's a little update or whatever about my little life update. So without further ado, we're gonna get into this unboxing video. Let's go. So basically, I really kind of opened it already or whatever. Just to tell you some inside. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, I just ordered some, you know, little things or whatever, because I can't get to the store right now, and that's why it's so convenient for working from home or whatever. Like, that's another story time or whatever. I don't really have transportation or whatever, but I'm getting there. I'm gonna, you know, I'm on my grind to get my money back up, and you know, the old jazz is back. But I just decided to order some little miscellaneous things and stuff. Things like for my, you know, my pregnancy, things for my baby, you know, some self-care stuff or whatever. But I don't know what I want to show y'all first. Okay, I'm gonna just show y'all something that I got like for me or whatever. Like, you know, some more little body wash or whatever. Nivea, nope, Nivea, something like that. Body wash. This one is I got some stretch marks, massage lotions for my stretch marks on my belly, you know. I will show y'all that in like another video or something like that. But, and that's my stomach, my baby bump. I got some cocoa butter, you know, body cream or whatever. Can't go wrong with that. What's this? Oh, I got a little ponytail or whatever, you know. That's it. Got me some nails. I gotta grow nails, you know what I'm saying? Get my nails. Okay. Last but not least, my baby. This is like the first thing I bought for him. Like, this is the first thing I bought for my baby or whatever. And I'm gonna show you the outfit first. I got this little outfit. It's so nice, so cute. It says Mommy's New Man. Look at it, it's so nice. I will take it out the package, but I don't want to quite yet. And I got this diaper bag mixed with a baby crib. I might post the link to all of this stuff in the description box down below. But this is what I really was so excited for. This is like, I was really excited for it. It's so nice. Wait. Wow, and you have stroller straps. I can't wait to rock this. Like, it's so nice. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Okay, got a little button up there. This must be the little mat you lay down on the oh my god, I can't wait to see how this turns out. I mean, I've seen it on the Amazon or whatever, but in person, oh my god. Okay, got a little pocket, change pocket. Okay, so the back is what I open and it pulls out. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh, okay, it unzips all the way around. Okay, all right. That's so cool. That is really cool. Wow. So I just did put this in there, lay my baby down, change him or whatever. Oh my god, this is so convenient. We're gonna do little picnics at the park and stuff. Oh my god. This is so cool, isn't it? Oh wow. We got a little, okay. Oh, how did I know? It's like little bars in the little pocket right there. For, I guess, for these, for, I guess, to make it stay up, I'm guessing. Yeah. Is it more? Oh, it pulls. Okay. It stretches. Okay. Look at me. Oop. My ball fell off. That ending. Part of this little piece. Kind of fell off. It was supposed to be off. I'm not sure. But it's thin, y'all. You could take it in like that. Oh, it fell again. Oh. Look, this is nice, right? Let me pick the camera up and show you that. See? Tell me that's not good. Tell me that's not neat. That is so neat. And then you got the, look at Blossom. You got the little, okay. Right, like I showed you guys, the stroller straps and stuff. Like a little backpack you can carry on. Okay. And then that part. Look at this. It's not that bad. Where all of, the stuff go in. The bottles and stuff. In this pocket. Oops, my baby finger fell off. Okay. Bottle pockets and a little thing, I guess, for beer or something. This is nice. Y'all can't tell me this is not nice. It's so nice. Yeah, so put this back up. Okay. Yeah. It's really nice. So let's take this out. This is really cool. No lie. No lie. No lies are told. No lies are being told. And y'all, oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so how about letting me back up first? How is that supposed to work? How do I even? How did I even... I don't even know how I even... I just want to mix it back in. That'd be great. Okay, and then you just zip this back up on the side. Put that in there and I can just zip that right off. Oh, that's not fine. That is fine. What is your outfit? What do I do with this little outfit? Should I put it in here? Oh. Where's my little outfit? I'm open for y'all. I'm open. I could have sworn my baby outfit came with a hat. Okay. Look at the little hat. Oh, it's so cute, ain't it? Oh, look at that. Mommy's new man. Mommy's new man. Oh, y'all getting a peek of my belly. Yeah, this is so nice. And then a little, oh, that is so cute. So cute. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it in his little diaper bag. Oh. That is so cool. Like, ooh, let's go. So that's all I got for my unboxing or whatever. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video or whatever. And like the main gift I really like that I bought my baby is this damn diaper bag mixed with a damn changing section. Like, what? Are you serious? Yes. And the little outfit, Mommy's new man or whatever. That's like my two first things that I bought him or whatever. And the list is going to go on and on, okay? He's going to be spoiled. And I'm going to make sure that he's going to have everything he wants, he needs. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Anything else? Yeah, more updates, more story times, more all of that is coming or whatever. You guys got any questions, just put them down in the comment sections below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And thank you for watching. Bye.